cute,
आवाज आ जाएगा ना.
beautiful, adorable. You know, use these words and find their synonyms. Synonyms you understand? Or go to ChatGPT,
दिव्या
type these
दे
words
ना थोड़ा.
and similar words, but it shouldn't be too same. हाँ, जैसे you know you have a very different grace. You know the elegancy is very unique, and tone down that compliment. Always tone down the compliment. Just say like if I want to see, bro, your tattoo is quite different. It shows the entire description. This is tone down. Bro, wow, your tattoo, it's so amazing, so beautiful. It's just oh my. You see, I'm too much showing eager interest. Eager interest can kill your. But it's like losing away the power. A lot of people do direct game also and they do get results also, because if you see that their compliments are toned down. Tone down the compliment. So whatever the words you are using, go to the ChatGPT, go to the Google, put the synonyms and find the unique words. So for example, this guy was yesterday telling the story now. He's bro, such words, you know, that I was hearing first time. Look at Shashi Tharoor. People literally have to scroll the dictionary. Like, where, what is the word?
Yes.
Here is directional. Now the problem with directional, always keep the time phrase of 15 to 20 seconds. In 15 to 20 seconds, if you are not switching or transition, it remains like a direction. For example, when I used to open, so I used to ask, where is Good Luck Cafe at FC Road? That side, and while coming this side, I used to ask, where is Starbucks? Where is McDonald's? So the girls will be like, oh, you want Starbucks? Go to that place. So when you will go straight, it's near only on the right. ये अगर ये deadline cross कर दिया मैंने, if I cross this deadline, then it will become difficult for me. If I want, it won't get converted. Clear है bro? Immediately transit. Now how we will transition? So there are 3 to 4 ways of transition. You need transition. So now for example, if the girl is saying, oh, you're looking for Starbucks, go straight, and it is on the left. Her emotions are very down. Just say, for example, it was only meant for direction. No curiosity in that. Switch with something, use words like perfect, absolutely right, or something like that. You know, perfect. You know, you have very clarity. I believe you are from here only. This one transition. If she is putting, oh, you want Starbucks? Starbucks. Yeah, Starbucks is there. You can go from this side and then, you know, I have never seen a kind-hearted people like you who put so much effort for a stranger like me who was just confused few minutes ago. Immediately transit and or, oh, thank you so much. I probably assume that you are not from here. Oh, I think you live here only. Use such words. At least keep 3 to 4 ways to immediately transition, but make sure that you are not taking 30 seconds. And at last, the dead end is 1 minute. 1 minute, it will still more difficult. And see, these are not the hard and fast rule कि यही होता है हमेशा. कभी-कभी 2-3 मिनट डायरेक्शन बताने के बाद में भी लोग स्विच कर लेते हैं. But what is the maximum probability that you get results in directional openers? Directional openers are best. First implement, if you have a problem, first implement lot on guys. Then on girls. Clear है?
ट्रांजिशन करने क्या कीजिए? ट्रांजिशन करने की
3 से 4 तरीके. 3 to 4 ways. You keep it in your mind.
अच्छा.
Write anything which you will find. Okay? One of the best observation. He is not a normal person. He will look different.
Yeah.
So guys, there are certain observation points. Now recall all your set. tattoo was there. Two girls with glasses were there that you said I told you to open them. They were in the glasses and you were having similar glasses. Baggy jeans is there, iPhone is there, beard is not there.
Some women
And
do that.
more. He does very well because he doesn't have that thing. Hairs.
That's right.
कलर्स ऑफ आइस. याद है तुमको बताया था वो लड़की देखो तो देख रही थी उसकी घारी आंखें थी.
अच्छा आपको कलर में कॉन्टैक्ट लेंसेज खरीदता हूँ एक बार ट्राई करता हूँ.
इतना मत करिए, देख लियो उसे. दे अनदर थिंग इज यू नो some people carry certain kind of things. Some carry that engineering drawing sheets. Some people carry yoga mat. Some people come from a jeans outfit. Something special, yoga mat or
Gym.
their clothes.
gym, jewelry.
Birthday outfit.
That you know the
Anguti.
stones, crystals. Think more.
One girl was wearing this. Costa told like I can see my face in your jhumka. It
Right.
had a big mirror.
Jewelry.
Ah.
More.
Like,
Shoes.
You know, Sahil Barve, you know. So there was one guy in Pune. Bro, he used to open every dog set. The girl who was taking with the dog. And he used to open the dog, not the girl. And he closed 2 to 3 girls just because they were walking with the dog. Animal.
pets.
More
Shoes.
shoes. But shoes, it doesn't have to be common. And make sure that you are having good shoes. Can open. Now the glasses. There
Oh,
are
hat.
Hat. When it comes to glasses, there are only 3 types of glasses: square wave, round, hexagon. The people who wear square wave glasses generally are more rigid and biased. They see from their own lenses. Circular glasses make the face a little over round. Type on ChatGPT, get the information, write it down, बाबा ये काम में आएगा. Type on ChatGPT the psychological factors that choosing a particular type of glasses.
These are the
Because-
information you can use as a canned material.
हाँ, canned material. And it needs to be something valuable.
Valuable.
हाँ, ऐसा नहीं मैं स्क्वायर वेव का चश्मा खरीदा, तुमने गोल खरीदा, हम कितने अलग अलग है. This is a pickup line.
Dada, what's your view on using canned material and doing natural game?
I think at starting, if it is giving little support, it's okay. But it needs to be in context. Proper context must be there. If it is anything, it will just evoke. Okay, just feel good factor. The girl has given you better reaction. At the end, it goes nowhere. So, and yeah, I forgot. Watches can try. Same factor, same apply the same theory on the square wave watch, square watch and circular watch. Get on ChatGPT, try circular. मतलब get the analysis. Why are the people? I recently brought a wristwatch course, so I will be also understanding that. But very beautiful. People love those psychological tricks. Women love those magical thing. You can read, bro. You have a very good that thing. Keep some research about it, because now how do I make an observational opener better?
Basically, sort of cold reading type.
हाँ. Now how do I make an observations open? Do one thing. This is called a homework. तो भाई जो पीछे है ना, किताब के पीछे बैक साइड, वहाँ पे लिखो होमवर्क. ये तुमको रोज करना है. So whenever you go out ना, 2 or 3 days don't do game. Just go and note down all the observation point. You know, I still remember one of my students, the Vishnu Bhai. the girl is in red and the another girl is in black. And he opened, you know, I really love the people when they are red and black. One is the color of attraction and the one is the color of seduction. Hi. Then they both shake hand. Now there is another color called pink, green and blue. Which is that? It's green, blue and pink. 3 girls are walking. One is pink, one is blue, one is green.
आज इस कर सकता हूँ
That's called Powerpuff Girl.
और कब
Powerpuff Girl. So one is saffron, one is white, and one is green. It's Indian tricolor flag. Okay. So observation point. There are certain flags. So for example, Canada. There are different countries who has those kind of flags. Once you have cleared those observation points, you can open with that. You know, my friend just brought a similar flag for me, and I just caught your attention. This will work betterly as compared to you look cute, you look adorable, I want to bang you. समझ रहे हो भाई?
राज भाई कभी किसी को सेक्स मिला है भाई मेरे को मतलब किसी लड़के ने बोला आई जस्ट वांट टू फक यू सैटिस्फाई मी फिजिकली
1 lakh in one. 1 lakh in one.
One in
Unless
one
the
lakh.
guys is so much. Bro, Salman Khan can get like that.
सर
Or Ranveer Singh can get like that. Like if you are the guy who is most eyed guy, then Bilzerian can get that. And it's not for. Bro, these are not even the learning strategies to apply. You will never get. Try on at least 1,000 girls. So bro, try such indications, try such clues. Now how will you make this perfect? Is like you just go out, take a pen and paper, don't do any set. Suppose you saw one set who is in green. What does green symbol?
Like what? Green symbol of
Green is for greenery.
Nature.
There was one girl who was wearing red and the another green pant. It was looking like a chili, red chili. Matlab, that was a sign. Now there are certain.
पेमेंट
Tell him I will go downstairs in 30 minutes.
आपको 30 मिनट में नीचे आता हूँ 30 मिनट में नीचे आ जाए
So there are certain observation points for everything, and there is certain relatability for everything. Just go on, note down all the points. Which are the females you find? Which are the bags you find? Which are the so people who are very brand savvy now, they automatically catch the people who are already in brand. So I was in boot camp and there was one guy named called Abid.
Utkarsh?
So there was one guy called Abid. So the girl was very beautiful and she was outside the cafe. She wanted a cash. So she left everyone and directly went to Abid. Because, bro, she can sense that who is the guy who is going to have money in the pockets. Right now, direct Abid के पास में चली गई. I was the guy is like, girls open. मैंने बोला नहीं, girls नहीं open, कुछ तो भी है.
Advantage.
हाँ, advantage.
Taking advantage for marketing.
She can sense from the clothes, from the brand, from all those things. So if you are aware of brands, you can try very good. Now the Zara and H&M is very common. But if you have little understanding about brands, it's good. Try to note down all the points. Just 2-3 दिन घर के बाहर जाओ, go outside the home. Don't open. Because once you are in the opening mode, you will be like him. भाई open ही करना है. भाई 2-3 साल से open कर रहे हो. Try to get in a calculative way. And just, okay, I saw a green girl with black heels and brown hair. Think, what do you know? कुछ तो होगा ना. And trust me, there is lot of, once you go from that frame na, and once you do the proper homework na, you will get something. So there is one thing called na, game is creative. If you use the one same type of material, same type of thing, next time you won't have anything to say. The more creative you are, that's the reason. Musicians, artists, these people are very good with women because they are always creative. हम तो बैठ के लॉजिकल कर रहे हैं कुछ तो भी कोडिंग रिएक्ट एंगुलर डेवऑप्स स्टॉक मार्केट इन्वेस्टमेंट सेकंड ना at least do high, at least get at least 100-200 observation points and think something. You will get creative things and your style might be unique. Think on that list. Now there is call. So bro, very important. If there are 3 girls, if there are 3 to 4 girls, you can go there and open her. You know what will be happening? What will be happening? The most probability, according to my experience, what I have tried up till now, someone will like, please go. Or someone, even if she is interested, the other will be boring and they will be waiting. Okay. Now, if she is really interested, she will still go with her friends. The reason is, Jerick bhai, the reason is because her friends are getting bored, and for a random guy who has just been 2 minutes before, she won't leave her friends. Even if I am with my female friend and some random guy comes and approaches, and if I am standing still, they have that much of human side that they won't leave their male friend. It's understandable. Now if you have a gamer mindset, अरे बहनचोद बिका मेल था ये, देख कैसा खड़ा था उल्लू तेरी का. It happens, भाई, it happens. Don't get into that gaming stuff. Understand? It's a frame factor is also there, but you have to engage the other people also. For if there is a group of 3 girls, 4 girls, 5 girls, always go for an opinion opener. Opinion.
Rajwal, I opened a group of 3 set today. मैंने बोला whenever I see 3 friends, I think 2 are best friends and the third one acts as third wheel.
What do you open?
3 set open किया था आज मैंने.
क्या
इसके साथ मतलब I went alone, it sent me alone. तो मैंने 3 लड़कियाँ थी वो मेट्रो के इसके ऊपर. तो I was like, I just noticed you all from there. You are a close group. I thought like one of you is overly interacting and the rest of you all are just responding to whatever she says. है ना? मैं सबसे पहले उसको ये बोला. I usually study psychology of people and you look good. One of you looks good. मैंने ये नहीं बोला. मैं पूरा याद नहीं. मैंने good.
Can work.
हाँ.
Can work. Probably
वो
can.
work हुआ पर है ना. Then one of the girl एक का A से trigger हुआ. Instantly. क्योंकि मैं एक लड़की को हिट करते जा रहा था. मैं उसको आइसोलेट करने की कोशिश कर रहा था. और एक लड़की ने ऑलरेडी गिव अप कर दिया था कि शी इज गोना गेट आइसोलेटेड. द गर्ल ऑन द राइट उसने क्या बोला कि लाइक आवर फोर्थ फ्रेंड इज वेटिंग, वी नीड टू गो. उसने फोर्सफुली सेकंड लड़की को लेके चली गई. आज मेरे साथ हुआ एक सेट के साथ.
ऐसा तो हो गया यार काफी. सो दैट विंग के ऊपर हम बाद में बात करेंगे. हाँ. सो दैट ओपिनियन ओपनर. Now there are certain kinds of opinion opener. Then when I was there, I used to open with with one of my friend. I was with one of my friend and he said that his ex is getting married with his elder brother. And I said, bro, I don't have even a brother and neither I am in such kind of situation. So I think you are probably socially smart people. You would understand the situation. Now bro, in this case I have tried at least like 20, 30, 40, 50 times. She turns into a philosophy mode. If the set is going good, oh, you can do this, that. Immediately what do? Transition switching. Oh, by the way, I am this. अभी कभी क्या होता है, अगर स्विचिंग अच्छे से नहीं हुआ तो फिर से फिलोसॉफिकल मूड शुरू हो जाता है. अरे
नहीं समझा.
Suppose you said, I was just talking with my friend and my friend was debating me on the topic that women, when they get into relationship, they have become very honest and men lies more. And it's vice versa before coming into relationship. How true is that? You probably seen the people who are intelligent about women's attitude. So then she will explain. Once she will explain, it works very well on the group set. You can try on double set also. So if it is a 3 or 4 set of girls, so now if there are 4 girls, 1, 2, 3, and this is the guy, you will find that there is one or probably two who are more active. and the another is living. At that time, the wing is important. You can try, but I have never seen, like in 5 years, I have never seen one guy pulling like around 6 girls. It hardly happens. One guy pulling 3 girls is possible. I have met that guy. I have pulled 2 girls, but that's the closing becomes the problem because one is going to get bored. So at that time, if you are alone, at least have a wing who is proper. Now your wing doesn't need to be extra smart than you. But coming back to the opinion opener, once she gets into the philosophical mode, suppose she starts talking with you and she also is supporting her. So like, it's not like that, girls are not like that, this guy lies more, guys lies in before relationship and after relationship because I believe that the girls are on it. Bro, immediately transition by your, and then once you transit little, switch the topic. ब्रो ये होना चाहिए 1 मिनट के अंदर, 1 मिनट या ज़्यादा से 2 मिनट, नॉट मोर देन दैट, एट मैक्स 5 मिनट, एट मैक्स, बिकॉज जितना टाइम कटेगा उतना वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट होने वाला है.
अच्छा, इधर पे ट्रांजिशन कैसे करेंगे ये ओपिनियन से?
You seem to have a very social intelligence. Oh, by the way,
सोशल इंटेलिजेंस तो पहले बोल चुका हूँ ऑलरेडी.
you seems to be a very good level. If you are not a counselor, you are doing a great injustice to the society. By the way, what do you do? Switch.
Dude, your choice of words are really, really nice. But see, this sort of a planned way of constructing a conversation, it's not a monologue. Getting me right? It's not a monologue. And if I'm consciously switching a topic, wouldn't it look like too cheesy and you have an agenda?
No. Once you keep on trying to do now, it happens automatically.
Naturally.
So, for example, when first time I was with 2 of the guys and let's say, girls, we were walking by that side and we were having a serious heated discussion because, and then I got blank, and the girl is because, and because. Then I was expecting these 2 guys to support me, and they were looking. हाँ बोल बोसड़ी के because तेरे को बहुत सुस्ता है ना. That's the reason we don't try complicated things. But I want you to try it because 2 to 3 times it will. But once the smoothness comes, it will become okay. Don't worry about the cheesiness. Everything becomes cheesy. When you go for first kiss, it's cheesy. When you go for first opening, it becomes cheesy. When you go for first pull, it becomes cheesy and needy. Come. When you open the jeans, it becomes needy. So it's always needy. And bro, trust me, we are the most needy person in the planet. Because don't you think that you are coming from 250 kilometers from here to learn all those things? How needy we are.
Yeah.
So be okay with that.
Yeah, accept it.
Bro, for you, try to accept that you are the most needy and most desperate person in this planet.
Yeah.
What's wrong with that? Opinion opener clear? Get at least 4 to 5, 6 openers. Now you can combine this also. So there was one guy, the girl, she was wearing that Breaking Bad white. Who is that white? Walter White.
Walter White. Heisenberg.
Walter White. So his t-shirt was there. I seriously don't like this guy. So he observed, he opened. Don't you think it's very weird to pay attention to serve his wife and then do the injustice to society by creating something? I am not sure what he was trying. He was doing so good. I try to understand. If the girl hasn't seen the Breaking Bad, why she will buy the t-shirt? Observation point. After that, I watched the web series. Breaking Bad. क्या है Breaking Bad? Friends. Lot of girls are into Friends. But who has not watched Friends, I won't recommend that go and watch the entire Friends. Waste of time. Game of Thrones. These things are there around you. The problem with you are always in that urge. मेरे को ओपन करना है, बस ओपन. Observe, plan, and for you it will become lot of mess at starting. And of course for you also, Jerry, if you haven't tried all those things now, try variations. for example, I like what Snehal was saying that bro, I stopped doing that. Yes, of course. At a certain point, when there is zero anxiety, stop doing that. If you have a massive anxiety, just 3 days, boom, 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 try 100, 200, 300 set and zero. After that, the anxiety won't come for at least 3 to 6 months. Go to Mumbai.
Right.
Start from morning 10 to 11, 12. But these all things are important, and this comes with not with going out regularly, this comes with proper research. If you do your homework research, you will get observation points automatically. Then there is comes natural opener. My teacher used to do when I was like boot camp na. So he was like, walking faster. One day I probably assume that I will beat marathon in you by this. If the rain doesn't come here, everyone will become wet. Anything. Office are such a hectic job. Very few people enjoy it in that office dress. And you are one in this entire church street who is very happy after coming from office. It's a combination of 2 to 3 things. And just keep on talking, no compliment, because it creates the mystery.
Just
Keep on talking.
keep on talking.
Multi-threading. कुछ भी बात
हाँ,
करो।
बस करते रहो बात.
Naturally, for example,
Nowadays people are less and vehicles are more. And I probably assume that that's the reason few people like you and me enjoy walking together.
I just did one natural today.
Huh.
Me and Jerick were having Golgappas, okay? And there is just two girls, they joined us and they were also having Golgappas. And when the time came to pay, the girl called the Golgappa person, Bhaya.
Bhaya.
Okay. So it is very famous meme over TikTok, Instagram, this Bhaya thing, right? And I just opened her, what did you just call him? Bhaya. It's, na, it's a meme circulated over Instagram and all, and I just talked to her like that. So it's very natural, and whenever you do it, the conversation will never be awkward.
Correct,
100%.
So there's another category called situational. What he says exactly is similar to situation. So what happened? One day we were sitting at that Rich. So there was one cafe around Rich, and I wanted to smoke. So one of my friend who was in game, he was like, "Do you have lighter?" I was like, "Yeah, okay." And he flamed the lighter for me, and he started talking something about the lighter. There was one thing. What happened? There was one guy shouting and beating someone, and the police came, and there were two girls sitting there, and I said, "What happened?" And the girl said, "Oh, that girl was crying, then she was asking us for money and this. This is the situation." I always remember one example of my example of my natural friend who was in my classmate. So I never used to do game. I used to just observe what he did intentionally. So there was one book there. So there was all those records kept here, and he went there. He saw the records which were kept, and in that record, by this side, he kept his own black book, which is summer internship project book. And then he intentionally seated near that girl, and he asked the girl, because she was having a black book, and she says, "Tera submission ho gaya kya? Guide कौन है तेरा?" The girl was like, "Okay, I don't know this. He is from our class only." So she said, he opened, "Oh, TJ Vidyasagar," or he started laughing. And the girl is like, "Yaar, mat chidana aisa." Because that was a very toughest situation. The best situation when a girl is playing with a dog, you can say, "I think he probably likes you." How many pets do you have? Use situation. And if you observe, certain situations happen. My first Insta date in Bangalore when I came from Pune was that there was one beggar who was like holding the girl. And she took 50 rupees and she gave it to that kid. So I went to her and I said, "Probably I am little late." बोला 50 rupees would be mine. She blushed. So courtesy. Do you always are so kind and helpful towards people? Yeah, I don't able to see the people's pain, blah 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 blah. Then she started walking here and there and use situations, but you won't be aware of the situations if you are like too much in the head. Like huge karna I've been through. Try it. So, bro, if you are new to the game, I would suggest for you go at least 1 week, 5 to 6 days, and just observe everything. Your observation.
Can you
points
repeat
will-
what's natural?
Natural means, bro, has anything happened with you that you were sitting and some randomly guy came and said, you know, ये कांग्रेस का ऐसी होने वाला था, like ये बीजेपी वाले, we started without knowing. There's certain people who just talk randomly. There's one uncle who came to me and was like, you know, it always the problem with people who come from north. Well, no sir, I'm not from north, I'm from middle, I'm from Maharashtra. So he started talking automatically. Just go and talk. Don't assume like anything, because once you have that intention, like what should I say, how I say, anything. Start with statements. Always starts with statements.
Okay. Just random statements.
Random. It works. Many times it won't work. Many times it will be why this guy is talking with me. Then again, transitions, switch. Clear? These are the open, and at least have 5 to 6, 7, 8 backup in your mind, so that observation points you will get very easily if you go out. Situations, bro, there is something happening every time. But you need to be aware what is happening here and there. For example, I think I'm telling you, that guy was holding a girl's hand in the pocket, like walking, and he was in a orange hoodie. And I said, what do you notice about that guy? He said, I noticed that guy was in an orange hoodie, that guy was this. मैं बोला, bro, उसने सिरिन का इंजेक्शन लगाया था, सलाइन लिया था और चिकट पट्टी लगा के चल रहा था. What that signifies? That signifies he has already taken saline and he has not been discharged. He will again go home and again take the saline. Can it be a girl? Of course it can be a girl. You can try on that. If there are two girls and the same situation is there. Situations are everywhere. If I am not able to catch the situation, the problem is with me. Because I am too much tucked in the head. See bro, for them this and this, they are from very long run in cold approach. But they are still